Everybody, this is part 2 of the interrogatives. So far we've done Kiko, Unda, and Quando. What, where, and when. And we're gonna do Kende now. Kende is who? So Kende is Kenya and Cape Verde and Creole. Kende. So Kende. So how would you say who is that girl? Kende, or who is, let's just say, who is the girl? Kende ta mucha mujer. Be like, she is not who she is. So no ta kende eta. She is not who she is. How would you say who drove your car? Yeah, how would you say who drove your car this morning or in the day? Kende corre, or kende accorre bo auto Nadia. The man is who drove my car. So e homber ta kende accorre mi auto. How would you say who's the cat? Yeah. Who is the cat? So kende ta e pushi. Kende ta e pushi. How would you say, is the dog his? Ekacho ta disu. Ekacho ta disu. Is the dog his? Ekacho ta disu. Is the cat, is the dog his? Or is the dog hers? Ekacho ta disu. Or, oh wow, okay, sorry. How would you say whose is the dog? So that would be ekacho ta di kende. Ekacho ta di kende. Whose is the house? Who does the house belong to? So ekas ta di kende. Okay, so we've done kende. Kwa, which. So how would you say which food is ours? So kwa, that would be kwa comida ta di nos. How would you say which food do you like? Which food do you like to eat? Qua comida bo te gusta come. How would you say which house are you going to? So let's see. Quacas Bible, Quacas Bible, or Qua cas bobay. What house are you going to? Qua cas bobay. So we've used qua a bit. Qua. 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 Okay. How would you say? Which car do you love? Qua auto. Qua auto bostima. Okay. Now the next one is a Y, which is Paquico. So Kiko is what? Paquico. For what? Okay. Paquico. So how would you say, why did you come home from school early? Tempran was early. So Paquico bye. Paquico babing tempran. Di school. How would you say, why, I'm actually going to go up here and steal something from up here. Why did you laugh? Why did the serious students laugh? Okay. Paquico ahari, yeah. Yeah, Paquico studiante, or yeah, studiante. Paquico studiante grave ahari. How would you say, why, which clean house? Which clean house? Qua cas limpi? Qua cas limpi? Qua cas limpi? Qua cas limpi. Okay. How would you say, why do the children, how would you say, why do the old men listen to the same music? Paquico. So, Paquico homber, yeah. Paquico homber bio. Escucha. Yeah, escucha na música mezcos. Na música mezcos. Okay, and let's go ahead and check out the last ones here. So that's going to be how con. So we know con from contabay, so we're going to go ahead and skip this one. So cuánto is how much. So how would you say how much cuánto es aquí ta costa? Yeah. Esaki ta costa. So how would you say, how much does the house cost? So costa is cost. Cuánto it cost ta costa? How much does the house cost? How would you say, how much is the heavy car? So heavy is yen. So cuánto e otto yen ta costa? It'll say the new car you'll say the new car costs how much? How much does new car cost? So, automobile, quanto automobile costa? How much does a new car cost? All right. This is going to conclude this specific lesson for the interrogatives. And tomorrow we will go over the dates of the week and the months, and maybe even, and we'll do some of the vocabulary tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.